Hey, it's Jared back with you, and listen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can make money online without having any type of skills whatsoever. Yes, you can not know anything and still make a income online. So how do we do that? It's something that we like to call arbitrage. Now, what is arbitrage? Essentially, what arbitrage is it is taking a product or service from one market and then positioning it in another market where you can make a profit margin. So you're basically buying low, selling high. Now you can do that with physical products. You can do it with digital products. And one of my favorite ways to do it is to do it with services. So one thing that I used to do when I was first getting started with digital marketing was I would sell graphics. I would sell graphics like online. Like I would sell flyers. I would sell postcards, different things like that. Now the thing is, the funny part is that I am not a graphic designer. So how did I do this without being a graphic designer? Very simple. There's a website that I'm sure you guys are familiar with. It's called Fiverr. So on Fiverr, it's people all over the world that solicit their different services that they have. And it's great work. It's just cheaper because these people are in different countries. So what I used to do is I would type in, for example, graphic designer. Right? So you type in graphic designer, and you can find somebody that is good at graphic design. So you can go to let's see. So I like to go by how many stars someone has, how many quality stars they have. So this person had over 1,000 orders and 5 stars. So let's try this person. And you see graphics start at $10, right? So what I would do is I would hire this graphic designer here for $10. Right? And they're good at graphics. They do banners, logos. See, all quality graphic work for just $10. So then, once you have the contractor, now you can pay them $10. Now, what you want to do is you want to find customers, right? How are you going to get customers? There's so many different ways nowadays online to get customers. The first thing you can do is you can post in different Facebook groups. You can post, graphic design services on your Facebook wall. You can create an Instagram account. All this stuff is free. It literally takes no work to do this. So, but one of the ways that I chose to do it was using Craigslist. So you go on Craigslist, right? And you want to create an ad on Craigslist. So it'd be like a small business ad. And let's see what different graphic designers. Let's see if someone has a graphic design ad on here. Graphic design, right? Let's see. Website designs, SEO. Okay, so let's use this guy, right? So this person is doing web design, SEO, Google AdWords, Facebook advertising. So you would make an ad like this. Actually, let me go back and make it easier. I'll find an actual graphic designer ad. Graphic designers are tough to come by in South Florida. Okay, let me go to a bigger market like New York. So this might be an opportunity for someone that's in South Florida to dominate that niche, just because there's not too many graphic designers that are posting on Craigslist. So let's go to U.S. cities. Let's go to New York. There should be a ton of graphic designers in New York. Let's see, graphic designer. Okay. Okay, graphic designer. So this guy is an ad. And so yeah, he made an ad for his services. He made a website, and if you wanted to make a website, you can and you don't know how to make a website, you can go right back on Fiverr and get someone to build a website for your little business. Just like that. But let's look at this thing. So he offers all these services: graphic design, t-shirt and artwork, branding, web development, marketing services. He does a lot. He does a lot of different services. Let me see if I can get you some of his pricing information. You probably won't have his pricing because sometimes jobs are different prices and whatnot. But sometimes it depends on the job. Oh, okay. He's got his. Very good website, by the way. But again, this can be something that can be made from Fiverr. That you can pay someone to make a website for you, and then you have like a nice digital presence online. So yeah, it's probably not gonna show his pricing, but basically look at it this way: if you're paying $10 a graphic, and if you charge someone $20, you're making $10. Even if you charge someone $50, $500, like you really have to negotiate the prices and make sure they're market value. But I mean, that's a very simple, easy way to make money online just by hiring out contractors. Just think about how, like, if you work for a company, right? Your boss doesn't work. What does he do? He manages people. So it's the same exact thing. You are just becoming a boss by managing people who have different skills. So you hire them for their skills. You negotiate the deal with the end customer. So if a product or service is $10, you charge $500, and you just made $490 or whatever the case may be. So there is a ton of different services that you can sell off. There's website, there's Google, there's tons of things. You can do translations, copywriting, technical writing, script writing. There's so many different things. People pay for LinkedIn profiles. People pay for legal writing. There's so many different areas that you can make money on. And as far as taking payment, it's very simple. All you have to do is have a PayPal. Sign up for PayPal and have a PayPal account, and you'll get started with making money like that. So if you want a link to get started on Fiverr, I'm going to leave it in the description section, so you can sign up for a Fiverr account. And from there, you just create a Craigslist ad, figure out what service you want to sell, find a contractor that can fulfill the work for you, and it's really that simple. So guys, if you want more videos like this, make sure you like this video so I know that I can make more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am Jared Never Sleeps. That's my time for today. And remember that whatever you're doing in your life, make sure you are doing it.